This video is made possible by Fuel Depot. 93 octane performance.
Good, putting in all the work. We practice as much as we can. The finals, I'm leaving tomorrow, Monday, so. Nervous, but a good nervous, that type of nervous that you're ready for it, you can't wait, so going well.
With the added seat time today, I'm sure that will help you with preparation for the competition.
Not only in just seat time, it's having fun with friends, getting in the car, feeling it, going fast, pushing yourself. It's always great to be doing that because it always gives you more confidence when you get into another seat. So I had good fun today. I had my team. Obviously, I can never do it without my team.
And I realize, each time you go, you guys pay a lot of attention to the data that you guys collect.
Every time we come in, we plug in the computer, we look at the data, look at track positions, we look at how the RPM is going with the oil pressure, where oil pressure dips, how the oil pressure is coinciding with the oil temperature, how all of those are dipping to cause a dropping or shutting off, or all those kinds of things. So we have to pay attention to those things. And I sit down with the tuner and I learn, and I'm looking and I tell him what I feel, and we compare it to what's on the computer, so we try to find out the source.
Which class is that you be running?
MP3.
MP3. And who are some of the contenders in your class?
I'm not 100% sure because a lot of people have been twiddling with their cars, but from the previous years I know it's Oliver Townsend who's in my class. I remember, actually not sure, I don't know if Taz is still in MP3 or if he's entering MP2.
Okay.
But I remember Demar Lee, Lamar, a couple of drivers, but I don't know if they're still.
I'm sure you will definitely be a top contender in that class.
I hope so. I definitely hope so. I'm confident.
mentioned that you'll be leaving tomorrow.
Yes.
And the competition will be next week.
No, it's this week, Wednesday.
Oh, this week?
This Wednesday and Thursday.
This Wednesday and Thursday. All right. And we will be glued to your Instagram page for all the updates, right?
Yes, as much as I can. Of course, they told us phones aren't allowed into the actual finals, but as soon as I'm home, I'll be able to update you, let you know what the day went, how it was done, and tell you everything I can. And maybe I'll try to sneak some pictures in as much as I can, but I'll let you know. Definitely on my Instagram.
Thank you very much, Sarah.
Anytime.
All the best.
Big up 876 Street.
Every time.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.